Hey friends, welcome to another episode of my adventures of living in Shkodër Albania. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful treesy park, and that's what today's episode is all about. So one of my viewers asked if I would do an episode about cute little parks around Shkodër where you can just take a nice stroll, catch some rays, hang out at some benches, and do some people watching. So let's do that. Let's go. All right, so park number one, we're at this small little pocket park in the middle of the town, just off the Djuredal and close to the cathedral. So let's check it out. We got the beautiful flowers. It's very treesy, great place to hang out in the center of town. It's right across the street from the beautiful cathedral. So you've got the seating for people who want to gather around what I think used to be a waterfall, though I've never seen any water in it to be real. So yeah, this park has lots of little shady spaces. There's a path that just runs all the way through it, and then on either side you've got benches, you've got lots of trees, and lots of people just enjoying this community space. They're playing chess, playing dominoes, kids on one side, and just lots of shade. You've got the whole community is hanging out. If you look over there, you can see that there's little galleries, little cafes. It's very peaceful, very tranquil. People just doing their own thing. And you've got multi-generational community, people just enjoying themselves. It's very beautiful. And yeah, a really nice vibe. And then you've got the mothers hanging out. And you've got the gallery over there. And that's pretty much it. It's just a little strip park that runs through town, and you've got always got a place to grab a coffee, of course. And the other side of the playground. And yeah, this is pretty much the park. When you're hanging out at the park and you're feeling a little bit hungry, not to worry. There are lots and lots of little cafes and little restaurants where you can grab a little bite to eat, maybe a cup of coffee, and then make yourself back to the pedale, which is literally just steps away. Right down there, you're back on the Djuredal and right by the mosque. So here we are at one of the main parks in the center of town, and it's an early spring day, so lots of people are out enjoying the beautiful weather. You can see lots of pink petals falling from the trees, making a really beautiful scene. So I'm going to turn around so you can see the rest of the park. yeah, like I said, this is the main park in the center of town, and it's right off the pedestrian street. And sometimes the waterfalls are going, but there's always people seated at the benches, kids playing, lots of restaurants, gentlemen playing cards, dominoes, or chess in pretty much every park around Shkoder. So, a nice bit of greenery. And you've got this beautiful sort of art piece over here, installation. So yeah, it's a great patch to just lay down, people watch, and enjoy a beautiful day of relaxation. Like I said, that's the city hall across the way. So yeah, this is the biggest park in town. I do wish they had bigger parks, larger green spaces, because I'm used to that coming from California and also from London, where they really have parks that you can spend entire days walking through and still not seeing it all. I haven't found a park like that thus far in Shkoder, but thank God for this space. I love that there's so many trees along this walking street. This is pretty much the walking street that I fell in love with on my scouting trip. And so again, turning it around. So yeah, lots of beautiful trees to just cool off. Maybe have a little picnic. Try to find a moment's peace. But it's really not, like I said, a place where you get a whole bunch of peace, because since it's in the center of town, everyone is walking from one end of town to the other, and there's just a lot of activity going on. So yeah, you can park your bike, you can walk, get off the walking street, walk away from the city hall, and this is the quieter side of the park, as you can see, but again, you are by the main road. But still, the quieter part of the park. Alright, so last but not least, we have this small, cute, quaint little neighborhood park. It's actually close to my neighborhood. You're going to recognize it by that statue right there. Now don't worry, I'm going to give you the front side so you get to see it, because it's actually a really beautiful monument. I think the name of this park is Isaboletti, but I will put it in captions in case I'm not pronouncing it correctly. But it's a very cute park, so let me show you around. So yeah, this is the landmark of this park. Is this massive statue. Sweet little park in the middle of the town. Alright, so while I sit in this little park, I'll share a secret little tidbit with you. I am actually a cookie fanatic. So while I have been in Shkoder, I really haven't found an American style chocolate chip cookie up until now. So very close to this very park, there is a little bakery, a splendid little bakery, where they make the best American style chocolate chip cookies. Let me have you take a look at this. Now that is a chocolate chip cookie, right? It's gonna take me a couple of sittings to finish this. I generally don't try to eat too much sugar, but I do love a good chocolate chip cookie. So let me know down in the comments below if you would like to find out where to get that cookie, and you're gonna wanna know. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, because I will be sharing where I got that cookie. But for now, let's continue with our park tour. So this is a beautiful park, right? It's early morning right now. The lighting is beautiful. All of the benches here are in a nice circular formation. So I'm going to just take a seat here. So as you can see, you can just sit and perhaps have a chat with the person sitting next to you over here. Nice community space. So although there aren't massive green spaces, there are lots of these little pocket parks. So as you can see, these benches are pretty low to the ground, which means that they're easy for the elders and also for the young people, and great for just lounging, right? Relaxing on the knees, easy to get up and to get moving. All right, so out of the 3 parks that I have shown you today, this is one that has a nice cafe bar here. You can check that out. But what else is also very, very interesting, I think, that this is the only little park with a bunker. A little bit of history. One of the many leftover bunkers from Albania's communist history. They've made it pretty, making it kind of look like a mushroom, part of the children's playground area. So that gives this park just a little bit more history and a little bit more mystery. And that's not where it ends, because not only do they have 1 bunker, they actually have 2 bunkers. So as you can see, again, it's made really pretty with flowers and butterflies, which is much better than just gray concrete, yeah? probably the prettiest bunker that I have seen thus far in my time in Albania. So you got sort of the wartime history on the one side, little playground, and then you've got the pretty butterflies all in a park-like setting. So we got the other side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!